G'day, I'm Zane from Energy Efficient Innovations. We're up here at Ridgeway Place above Sumner installing energy efficient hydronic underfloor heating. In the end, the homeowner will be able to control her space heating and cooling, hot water heating, all from her smartphone or smart hub sitting on her bench. Come down and check out how hydronic underfloor heating is installed and how it heats your home. The start of our process is gaining a set of your final house plans and designing a system that best meets those plans. That's where we give you advice on the best way to run your system and other upgrades that you can do to make it more energy efficient. So once you're happy with the design, we'll finalise the details with your architect for installation. So once the reinforcing mesh has been installed by your builder, we come in and mark out where all your walls are to create all of our zones. Once that's done, we install our clips and our hydronic underfloor piping is clipped to those clips to create our zones. We purposely don't install the hydronic underfloor heating pipe underneath the walls to prevent damage once the builder puts the walls up and bolts them down. How the system works is the hot water heat pump heats the water and pumps it through to the buffer tank. From the buffer tank, the water then comes to a manifold and then gets distributed through the floor to each individual room. Once that water has dispelled its heat into the slab, it then goes back to the hot water heat pump to be reheated and completes the cycle again until your home comes up to temperature. With the My Energy app, you can control each room's temperature right from your smartphone. Installation can normally take a couple of days depending on the size of your home. And once that's complete, we'll return when it's weather tight to finish the install. I hope you've enjoyed this information. If you'd like to know more about energy efficient underfloor heating, reach out today.